Good morning. I'm gonna take you guys with me to work today for a day in my life at the largest medical center in the world. It's gonna be a busy day. It's Friday, so I have a lab meeting, kind of a 3-hour experiment, some writing, then I'm planning to go to the gym. Yeah, I'm just preparing for work. It's almost out. Gently pat dry. And since I have sensitive skin, I let it dry first before I put the actives. Then I'm putting on a pea-sized amount of azelaic acid, which is helpful for rosacea, redness, post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation or PIH from acne. Then I do some parts of my hair care. This is minoxidil 5% and finasteride 0.1%. I just spread it evenly. I meal prep on weekends, so I'm just transferring them to containers so I can take them for breakfast and lunch in the office. Don't forget to have fruits or any sorts of fiber. This is my fit for today. I initially planned to wear semi-formal, but because it'll be warm and humid in Houston, so I changed to casual. Better be comfortable for this long day. Most days I just wear scrubs, but for Fridays I kind of change it up a bit so I can use my other clothes. I use scrubs so that I don't need to decide what to wear. Prevents decision fatigue. I'm walking to the bus stop to catch the next one. Thank you, have a good one. I usually take my bike to work, but since it's gonna be a rainy day, I don't want to get wet. I need to get through 10 sets of doors, 1 elevator, and 1 sky bridge to reach my office. Dropping off my bag before I go to my meeting in another building that's 10 minutes away. Taking out my media so it'll be warm when I come back after my 2-hour weekly lab meeting. My meeting starts at 9, but it's already 8:50. The bus didn't arrive on time. I'm gonna need to walk very fast.
All very good, all knockout, yay. Albeit some of these are lighter, the ones that were, this is the first time they ran.
I got free snacks. Meeting's done, and now we're heading back to the lab for our experiments for today. While I'm warming up my media, that's the time I usually eat my breakfast, so I can save time. Multitasking. Time for cell culture work. So these are how cells look like when viewed under the microscope. Remember the media I took out a while ago? I put them in warm water baths so that my cells will be happy. Today I'm doing proliferation assay and clonogenic assay using 3 different concentrations, so it'll take me a while to finish this experiment. So this is a hemocytometer or Neubauer slide, which we use to count cells. Well, this is a cell counter for easier counting. After that, I input my count to an Excel sheet that I previously prepared so that I will know how much volume cells I need. I'm working with 6 cell lines today, which is not the worst, so I can't complain. We have an automatic cell counter, but I like to do manual counting because I trust myself more. What do you prefer? I started before 12 and now it's almost 3. 3 hours of experiments. I'm so tired. I just want to rest, but I need to write and go to the gym, as promised. I'll have quick lunch and break before I start working again. I just finished eating lunch with navel orange as my dessert. Now I'm headed to the library to do some writing before I go to the gym. I'm almost done with my manuscript and then we'll submit it for publication. In the afternoon, I get so sleepy, but I don't drink coffee, so I just take a nap. Sometimes it lasts 15 minutes to as long as 1 hour and a half. And now I'm re-energized to do more writing. Now headed to the gym. My pull-ups have improved. I can now do a total of 20 reps divided into 4 sets, followed by inclined dumbbell press 12 reps of 4 sets. Then bent over dumbbell pull, the same 12 reps, 4 sets. Lastly, I do alternating sets of deadlifts and shoulder dumbbell press. All of these are 12 reps of 4 sets. I did an in-body test and the results show that my weight has been maintained at 122 pounds, which is low but normal compared to last year, which I was about 130s. And then my skeletal body muscle mass is below average but almost there. It's increasing and my percent body fat is 16.8, which is crazy. I've also been eating a lot, so maybe because I am consistently working out and my workout routine has changed, so maybe that's why my body fat is 16.8. Crazy, it's getting down. But I love it. I've been eating whatever I want since ever, but right now I can eat more delicious and tasty food with no guilt. So I just finished working out and now headed home. I'll be catching the next bus. Thank you, have a good one. Beautiful afternoon, beautiful weather. It's not humid, it's not hot. Just perfect. The breeze is so nice. I always love my walks around this area if the weather is perfect, like today. I'm home. Time for some post-workout protein and creatine. So what I like to do is I put 1 serving of protein and creatine in each of this. So it's like the baby formula thingy. Easier for me. Like I just open one and then pour everything. I don't need to like scoop 3-4 times every single time. I also like to do 200 ml of this dark chocolate silk almond milk. And then this other one is soy vanilla silk. So it's 50-50. 1:1. And then pour everything out. That's 1 serving. My protein is Anthony's Premium Pea Protein because I'm partially lactose intolerant. I can handle whey protein. And then for my creatine, it's Optimum Nutrition On. And I wash all my lunch containers for the next day, or if it's a Friday like today, for next week. Manually because we don't have dishwasher here. Burger patty sandwich. So it has 2 sliced bread and patty with barbecue sauce and mustard. So this is my first dinner. I'll probably have another one later. It's not enough. It actually tastes good. The patty is from my landlady. She made me try it. It's 23 grams of protein per serving, so that's per patty. Pretty good. I'll probably buy some later. It's also fully cooked, so you just need to microwave it for a minute to a minute and a half. I won't be staying here tonight, so I'm just cleaning up my room, folding folding and keeping all my freshly washed clothes from a few days ago, and then bring stuff and all my dirty laundry so I can wash it over the weekend. Then I'll do groceries in a bit. See you at HEB. Texans know. It has been a busy week, so I didn't have time to fold these. Now my room is cleaner, ready for next week. So I just got home from groceries and took a shower, and now I'm gonna do my nighttime skincare routine. Then after washing, then patting my face dry, then I do the same essence from this morning. So 2 pumps of that, then evenly spread to your neck. After the essence, I use serum. So I let it dry a bit before adding my active, just a pea-sized amount, and then just spread evenly between your neck and your hands. For night, I use minoxidil. So I'm just finishing this. After this, I'll just use the compounded one during the morning. Then I lock everything with moisturizer. Then to end it, don't forget your trusted petroleum gel. Then I end my night by sometimes working, sometimes I watch movies or TV shows, or doom scroll on Instagram or Reels, Shorts. But since it's a Friday, I won't be working tonight. I also take a break, take a rest, because I'll be going in tomorrow, Saturday, for some time-based experiment. The ones I seeded this afternoon, I will be processing one of them tomorrow as day 0. Thank you for watching. Thank you for coming to work with me. If you want more long-form videos, or if you have video suggestions, just let me know in the comment section so that I will know what videos you like, what you don't like. For more short-form videos, follow me on my Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Shorts. So yeah, see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.